What's going on, friends, family, folks, peoples, all the above? So it is the new food week here, and so we are going with something pretty easy tonight. We went out, sorry, ooh, and we grabbed pizza. U-Bakes. So we got the kids' gluten-free, cheese-free pizza right there. Zoe and Grace, there it is. Zoe and Grace is right there. And then Mom and I got that one there, which will give us leftovers for tomorrow. And then all the plates with salads loaded up. And then Tennessee wanted leftovers. She didn't even want pizza. She wanted leftover shrimp and sausage. And I think it's because she knew there was shrimp in there and she's getting the last shrimp. So she's happy about that. So, salads, pizza, that's what's for dinner Friday night later. Happy Saturday, peoples! It's going down. So we got leftover Saturday. Stupendous. So we got gumbo heating up in here. Got the rice heating up in there.
Don't you love? Oh, we can see us. Don't you love? You're too close.
Well, you're the one that came up with my grill there.
Don't you love leftover night?
Leftover. So we got the rice up in the microwave, getting microwaved. We got what's left of the gumbo going on there.
Ooh.
Gumbo wasn't here, it's gone. And the kids are eating leftover beef stew, so they got all kinds of stuff going on over there. That's all plated up. It's all bedtime. So, that's what you get Saturday night, leftover night. We'll have a new dinner for you all dialed in tomorrow, later. Sunday afternoon here, just wrapping up, you know, the weekend, the freaking weekend's dinner vlog here. And so, we are going with, boom, ham. Oh yeah, ham. Mashed taters, green beans, kind of like a Christmas part due. So let's get this baby all dished up and see what we got. All right, peoples. That's what we got. Some mashed taters there. See, you just mash them like that, then we can call them mashed potatoes. See, mashed potatoes, right? Got some ham action, green beans, calling it a night. That's what we got for dinner on Sunday night. Have a good week, people. The Monday blues, the Monday morning blues. They're so tired.
4 a.m. to work out, guys.
I started a new routine today, and I'm a little on the dragon side. So today we are going with leftovers and pretty much whatever was simple and easy that the kids could do 90% of. So that's what we went with. So we've got leftover ham from yesterday that we heated up in the frying pan there. Green beans again from last night. And tonight we spiced it up with rice instead of potatoes for the starch.
Way.
I know, dude. We are killing it.
I know.
So this is what we got going on, guys, for tonight. We got green beans, rice, and ham. Pretty boring. Pretty boring. But that wraps up the Monday blues for you. So we will see you tomorrow later.
Okay, you guys, it is Tuesday morning. We are making breakfast. I made bacon and a smoothie and the eggs. Zoe's going to show you. She came up with this super delicious egg simple recipe. So go ahead, honey. I don't know how she does it. So I'm like, show me, Zoe.
Okay, so you just take dried chives.
Oh, you just eyeball it.
Yeah, you eyeball it.
Kind of like your dad does.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. And you kind of just sprout all over the eggs.
Okay.
Yeah, so simple. Probably about that much. And then...
That was about that much, guys. A little small paw full.
Yeah, about that much. Wait.
Hang on, I gotta stir it so it doesn't get all burny.
Yeah, and it looks right, so I mean...
So I'm doing it right so far.
Yeah.
Good.
And then you do about 5 of these.
5 cranks of the salt.
And then... She doesn't like it, so... 1, and then 2.
That's pepper. So 2 cranks of pepper, 5 cranks of salt, and a handful of chives.
Yep.
And that's it.
Yeah.
So she said make sure your eggs have like the white bottom to it before you add everything. So you don't want to add it all together right away. You want to make sure
like
that your eggs are cooked.
Yeah.
That's it, huh?
Yep.
These eggs are amazing.
And then if it doesn't look right, you just add more.
Add more chives. There we go. Thanks, baby.
Yeah.
Happy Tuesday.
I love ya.
I love you too. Hey you guys, so it is Tuesday and we are using our leftover ham from Christmas. We had 2 hams and they were frozen. I just put them in a crock pot. Tonight is an easy, I did say it was Tuesday, not Wednesday, right? It's Tuesday. I think I did. Anyway, the kids are back to school and my mind is all foggy, but there's our frozen. We just put them in the freezer after we ate them, and then all that yummy ham. Josh left a lot of good ham on there, so that will cook. I will link this recipe down below, you guys. I've got it on Pinterest. So that split peas. I'm low on split peas for as much ham as I have, so hopefully that will stretch and be okay. I've got my chicken stock, my red potatoes, celery, onion, and we were out of big carrots. It actually went bad from Costco. So we are using baby carrots, and then my pepper, my thyme, and my bay leaves. So you just chop and dice and throw it all into the crock pot. And I will show you guys what that looks like in about 6 hours, 8 hours.
What's today? Tuesday. Welcome to Tuesday. Not gonna have tacos tonight. So the beautiful spouse of mine cooked up split pea soup, which I'm sure you guys have seen. So it is done, and I'm going through and breaking up what meat is left off the bone, the hockages there, and getting ready to serve this baby up. So I served, and we got the homemade bread toasted. Nice. So here's what it looks like, all dished and dressed to impress. There, got a little chunk of ham and some split peas going on there.
That looks really good.
I know, right? See, look at that. I toasted it. This one kind of came out a little on the
Santa's sleigh.
dead on arrival kind of thing there, so I had to flip it over to cut it.
You did that to make it pretty.
I did.
So one didn't turn out, guys.
The other one turned out.
The other one.
Look at that one. That one turned out nice.
That's the one we're gonna use for lunches.
Looks good, Ma. High
This one
fives.
makes a good dinner.
All right, guys, that is what's for dinner Tuesday night. Let's get it on. That's some good looking makeup.
You're funny.
What's going on, peoples? It's the end of the line. It's the end of the road. What's that song? It's the end
That's
of
like our
the...
high school Boys to Men.
I know, what's
End
what?
of the
It's the end of the road. Something, I don't know what it is. Anyway.
The girls.
That just got weird. Anyway, all right, guys, it has been a busy week. So we had a couple nights of leftovers that I didn't vlog, and then we had a couple nights, one sick night where no one was really feeling good. I don't think we even ate any dinner. And then we had a dinner out.
Yes,
And
and
so-
well, the real reason, guys, is we have been building a website, and it's really cool.
Oh, bro, your
I
cheese.
know.
Just drop it.
I want to show it to him. Can I show it to him? It looks so good, and we did it ourselves.
Maybe next time.
We could show you a sneak peek. Let's show him a sneak peek, honey, because you know I don't do well with surprises.
Right.
But it's cool. So it has a blog. You know, in the middle of dinner vlogs, we'll do this. It has a link to our dinner vlogs. It has a little bit of information about our family, and it has our shop. So we took our Etsy shop and we're putting it in one location. What else? It has, I'm creating freebies, so like downloads that you guys can download for free that will help you with your budgets. Like, I can't give that stuff away. Some of that is still in production.
That's the behind the scenes stuff right there.
But we should, you go ahead and vlog and I'll pull up the, no, will you let me?
I think the little tidbit's good that you just left.
So when will we be able to launch?
And maybe next week we can have a little bit more.
Next week, it'll be launched by next week, guys. It's going really good. So,
because you don't want to show them like, here it is, but it's like half like designed, right? You want to show them like finished.
I was going to show them the preview. It's good. I've been working a lot of hours.
It's good. It's good.
We have been down to one cooker this week, which has been him.
And I had a couple days off. Realistically, I took a couple days off. So
That's okay.
that is that. So we
Some
will.
weeks are like that, you know?
You want to wrap this one up?
Well, we're kind of doing that together.
I think your makeup looks nice.
Yeah, I went and got
Pretty
makeup,
bird.
you guys.
Pretty bird.
It is this brand. This is totally like vlog style, 100% pure. Let me know if any of you guys use this. So we have a store.
Made of plants.
We took a family day and we drove an hour and we went to go try on makeup today. So it was really, yeah, it's made of plants and fruit.
We didn't try on makeup. You did.
Okay, I think this dinner vlog, we've
All right, guys.
made up for missing dinners.
Yeah, wrapping up. So hopefully you guys liked the few. I think there's like 4 or 5 days on there, so
Yeah.
that'll work. Go ahead and hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we will see you next week on a different vlog. Later.